If you've ever cast a vote in a Telegram poll, especially in a busy group or channel, you might know how easy it is to tap the wrong option by mistake or simply change your mind after seeing more details. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple process, how to retract or unvote in a Telegram poll. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to undo your vote and even switch your choice so you're always in control of your responses. Let's get started right away. First, you want to navigate to the message in your chat where the poll was posted. Polls usually show up with the question and a list of choices you can tap on. Now, if you're using Telegram on your phone, just tap right on the poll message itself. Aim for the area around the poll, not just your selected option. If you're on a computer or using Telegram desktop, you'll want to right-click on the poll instead. This might seem obvious, but sometimes people try to tap or click on their specific answer to change it, when it's really about selecting the poll as a whole. When you do this, a prompt or context menu should appear. Telegram often labels this with something like retract vote or cancel vote. If your menu pops up with a slightly different name, don't worry, it's the same feature. Go ahead and select this option. This action immediately removes your current vote from the poll. It's as simple as one click or tap, but if the menu takes a few seconds to show up, that's normal. Sometimes Telegram is just loading the options depending on your device or network speed. Now let's talk about why this matters. Maybe you voted too quickly before reading through all the choices, or maybe new information came up. The point is, you're not stuck with your first decision. Removing your vote lets you reconsider or pick a more accurate answer. And if you want to vote again right after retracting, you absolutely can. Just tap on your new choice and Telegram will record your updated vote. This refreshes your contribution, just like updating a response in a survey. It helps you feel confident that your answer is really what you meant. A couple important things to keep in mind: only you can retract your own vote. Even if you message the group admin or channel owner, they can't reverse votes for you. The only thing an admin can do is stop the entire poll, ending all voting, but your individual selections are private to you. Speaking of privacy, in anonymous Telegram polls, which are very common in channels and many groups, nobody can see which users picked which choices, not even the admin. So if you're worried about having voted for something by accident, rest assured, your identity isn't visible to other members. An accidental vote generally goes unnoticed, aside from the overall poll numbers. Occasionally, you might tap the poll and find that the retract vote option isn't available. This usually means you're using an older version of Telegram, or the poll's specific settings don't support vote retraction. Unfortunately, in those rare cases, there isn't a workaround. You won't be able to unvote. It's a limitation built into Telegram's current features, but updating your app can sometimes resolve this, so it's worth keeping Telegram up to date to access all the latest options. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you regain control over your poll votes, don't forget to hit that like button. If you run into any trouble or have questions about other Telegram features, drop a comment below. I reply to as many as I can. And if you found this useful, be sure to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials on Telegram and all your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.